So, right on red. I'm not going to say what he said at the end, but we're going to re-elect Donald Trump on Tuesday, November 3rd, 2020.
And your next.